Hey YouTube, Scott Off-Road, how you doing today? We're putting taking the rock rails off the Gladiator and putting steps on for Jen. Quick, easy project, took us about 30 minutes to do entirely. I'll just show you the finished product. Now you may be wondering why we're taking the rock rails off the Gladiator and putting the side steps on. Two reasons actually. One, we want Matt and Jen wanted more protection on the paint along the side of the vehicle, and Jen wanted a step for getting in and out of the vehicle to make it a little easier to get into. The plan is though, when we go on Jeep trips, we're going to take the side steps off and then put the rock rails back on for rocker protection, and then get back from the trip, switch back out. Since that's an easy project to do. But hope you enjoy. As always, hit the like button, subscribe, follow, leave comments down below on anything you want to see different. Have a blessed day. Get dinged up, take it off. Be a shelf. Yeah. One of the holes. The rock rails weren't that tight. These are steps. Fairly snug. Yep. size?
No, I need the extension.
There you go. 12.5 minutes.